Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Philips Hue starter kit with Hue Bridge step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Philips Hue starter kit. Inside, you will find the Hue Bridge, smart bulbs, and power adapters. Locate the Hue Bridge and place it in a central location in your home. Make sure it's close to your Wi-Fi router for optimal connectivity. Plug in the power adapter to the Hue Bridge and then connect it to a power outlet. Wait for the lights on the bridge to turn on. Once the bridge is powered, connect it to your Wi-Fi router using the Ethernet cable provided. Next, download the Philips Hue app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. The app will prompt you to search for your Hue Bridge. Press the round button on top of the Hue Bridge to connect it to the app. Follow the instructions on the app to complete the setup. Once the bridge is connected, it's time to install the smart bulbs. Take the Philips Hue smart bulbs and screw them into your light fixtures. Make sure the fixtures are powered on to ensure the bulbs can connect. Return to the app and navigate to the lights section. Select Add Light and the app will search for the bulbs. Once found, follow the prompts to name your lights as desired. You can now create rooms and organize your lights for easier control. Explore the various features in the app, such as setting schedules and routines. Test out different light scenes to see how they enhance your space. Your Philips Hue system is now set up and ready to use. Enjoy the convenience of controlling your lights from anywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.